This conference is definitely at the crucial time for it to be done, especially for the CLMV countries, because everybody is already asking, what are the countries doing on the implementation and monitoring of the Sustainable Development Goals? Countries need to talk to each other and share each other's experiences to know best practices and for us to plan well on how we should implement SDGs and monitor them.
I think, this conference is very, very useful to us because it is talking about how to localizing the SDG to the national context. And then, here I can learn a lot from experience from other countries, especially from our resource persons here. I can take the knowledge and experience from those people and then I can apply in my country because Cambodia now is in the process of localizing the SDG into the national context.
Indonesia is very fortunate because during the MDG implementation, we already have a good mechanism to how we really link the national development with the global development. We managed to have a national mechanism, the coordinating team, not just at the national level, it is also a national level with the local level.
If we look back at this stage a couple of years from now, that's when we will probably really understand how important it was to get together, to exchange views and experiences.
Ex-Myanmar, we got a lot of good lesson learned and experience from other CLMV countries. The biggest challenges for Myanmar is funding, and the other thing is lack of technical knowledge.